People don't fail diets. Diets fail people. And if you're trying to lose weight, the last thing you want to do is to go on yet another diet. They simply do not work. In fact, about 95% of people who lose weight by dieting will regain it in 1 to 5 years. And the mental and physical stress caused by the temporary alteration to your diet actually slows down your metabolic rate, making it harder to lose weight. And what's worse, it leaves you feeling guilty. There is a better way. WildFit. WildFit is the anti-diet method of retraining your brain and your mind to approach food in a different way so that you gain a new, healthy relationship with food. It will train you so that every single habit, belief, or impulse you have towards food that is actually hurting your body is permanently removed from your mind. You will stop craving the food that you were programmed to crave by big food companies and cultural traditions. You won't need to use your willpower anymore, and you will finally experience what we call food freedom. Based on Eric Edmeades' work in behavioral psychology and studies of cultures like the Hasda Bushman of Africa, WildFit puts your body on a unique cycle. Your body will flip the switch and start to burn fat rather than sugar, which means that you no longer need to depend on sugar for energy, and the fat around your gut, that will start to disappear. As a result, in just 90 days, you will experience dramatic transformation to your body. In addition to losing weight, many WildFit participants report a variety of health issues disappearing: better skin, higher levels of energy, quality of sleep, and an increase in overall sense of well-being. More than 10,000 students from over 130 countries around the world have been a part of the WildFit journey and are now on a lifelong path of health and vitality. Join us in living the best, healthiest version of yourself. Your transformation and freedom starts today.